Hello Bansarian, I'm Miss Siti and today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to use Lumi. First of all, let's log in. Oke, setelah login, kalian akan melihat beberapa pilihan English exams. Ada PTE Academic, PTE Core, IELTS Academic, TOEIC, DET, and SAT. And today, I'm going to focus on PTE Academic. Oke, kalau Bansarian di sini pengen punya study plan sendiri, Lumi provide you with a study center. So, if you click the study center, here, you can set your own goal. Bisa kita pilih sendiri mau goalnya berapa, atau bisa juga klik dari yang sudah disediakan sini, 30, 50, 65, or let's just customize our own. Click set now, and then continue. And if you haven't taken any English exam recently, just click I haven't. And then you can set your goal. Misalnya, speakingnya I want 80. And then writing, let's say 70. And then reading 65. And then the listening is 75. Oke, kalau kalian udah yakin dengan goalnya, silakan klik continue. Klik here. Dan kalau udah benar, kalian mau overall score kalian 73, tinggal diklik finish. And wait for a minute. And here you are. Your own study plan. Di sini ada study plan harian dan juga overall planning. Here, with a bunch of questions yang bisa ngebantu kalian mencapai goal yang kalian inginkan. Okay, what if I don't want to have my own study plan, I just want to practice? You can practice in question bank. Ada 4 skill terpisah, speaking, writing, reading, and listening. And let's start with speaking. And if you are ready, you can click to record. One of the major factors influencing future home design will be the probable change in climate, with hotter summers, colder winters, and the possibility of floods. Consequently, houses will be built with better insulation and will also need ways of keeping cool in hot weather, whether that's air conditioning or more shading of windows. And if you are done, you can click the score and you will get a direct feedback. Dan kalau kalian klik action button, bisa lihat kita bisa dapat overall score-nya, kontennya, pronunciation, and also fluency. So that's read aloud. That's one of the example. Tapi ada banyak soal-soal lain yang bisa kalian coba nanti. Okay, so that's speaking. What about writing? Let's see. Writing, there are 2 questions, summarize written text and also write essay. So let's maybe try summarize written text. You can click continue. And dan sama seperti di read aloud, di summarize written text juga ada question listnya dengan level-level yang berbeda juga. Dan di sini you can also bookmark the one that you want to practice later. And yeah, just click one of the topic that you would like to practice. For example, here, there will be a text and an answer box dengan timernya juga. Jadi ini benar-benar sama persis seperti yang ada di tes aslinya. So you can read and test, and then if you are done, you can click the score and then you will get your score. Oke, nah kalau reading gimana? Reading juga sama, you can click the reading in the question bank. You can see a bunch of questions here. For example, I want to try reorder paragraphs. Click continue. And then here. So it's very similar with the real test. You can drag the paragraph that you think is the first one and then continue with the others. And then yeah, you can click the score if you are done. Oke, kalau udah reading berarti yang terakhir adalah listening. Let's see. Oke, the last part will be listening. Coba yuk kita lihat listeningnya gimana sih. Kira-kira audionya tuh cukup jelas nggak ya? Mirip nggak ya sama yang aslinya? Maybe let's try the fill in the blanks. Here's the fill in the blanks. Get ready to answer. Okay, once you're done, you can click the score and you can check your answer. Is it correct? Is it incorrect? What's wrong? Okay, that's about fill in the blanks. So the audio is quite similar with the real test. So you can practice and improve your English with Lumi. But I don't want to just practice questionsnya aja. Aku mau coba mock test. Tenang, di Lumi juga ada mock test. You can see here ada berbagai volume of mock tests. And if you want to try the mock test, you can click the practice now. And here you can create a new. And there will be equipment and preparation like headset check, microphone check. So it's pretty similar with the real test. And if you click the start exam, and it will start from reading, from read aloud until write from dictation in listening. And if you are done, you can click the history button to check your score. Here you can click review. And here you are, your review of your mock tests. Speaking, writing, reading, and listening. And you can also check each question's feedback from here. So from this feedback, you can check question mana ya yang aku masih kurang maksimal. Terus bisa latihan di question bank tadi. And after you do a mock test and question bank, tapi kok aku ngerasa nilaiku nggak naik-naik ya, kira-kira di mana ya aku bisa menemukan resource tambahan? Here in the material resource, there will be a bunch of PDF and ebook yang bisa kalian buka dan pakai untuk improve your skill. For example, here, I want to improve my listening skills. You can click it. And then here, you can see an ebook about how to improve your listening skills. Oke, itu tadi tutorial cara menggunakan Lumi. Hopefully, Lumi can help you to achieve your desired score.